everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the February Splendies, so my panty subscription. I've been getting this for a while now and I absolutely love it. So Splendies is like $14.95 a month, I believe, but there's been this code that's been working to get 50% off your first order, and it's June 50. So I think this is what was supposed to be like a deal for June, but it's still working. So I'll leave the link and all of that information down below if you're interested. So every month I get 3 pairs of panties sent to me, and you can totally customize this, and they have a wide size range as well. So at Splendies you can get like anywhere from an extra small to a 4X. They call like the plus size voluptuous, I think? Voluptuous? I don't know. And I believe that might be like $2 more. Someone told me in my last video, so sorry if I haven't been explaining that correctly. But you get to choose if you want like a surprise array of underwear. That's what I get. So generally you get like 2 pairs of regular underwear and 1 thong. Or you can choose to get all of regular underwear or all thongs. So it's usually like super cute, well themed, and I've been loving every pair I get. Yeah, so let's get this started. I will leave down below any active giveaways I have going on, along with the website and everything I told you. All the good stuff's down there. So when I open it up, the panties are in this nice tissue paper. Oh my god, yes. So you generally get these at the end of the month. So like at the end of January, I opened this box or this bag and they were like Valentine's Day themed. And now it looks like they're themed for March, and I am so excited. You didn't know, your girl, me, I'm very Irish and I love St. Patrick's Day, and St. Patrick's Day is all my cat's birthday. So my cat Archer and Fiona, their brother and sister from the same litter. So their birthday's March 17th, and then I adopted Emmy like a year later, and we figured her birthday was around March as well. So they all have the same birthday. So let's start with the shamrock ones. This is so cute. I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like. This is made by Splendies. They feel so nice and comfortable too. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is a retail value of $12. Generally, all of the underwears do, so you get like $36 worth of panties. So this is made with 86% nylon and 14% spandex. And I think these are so cute, and I can't wait to wear them, and they feel so nice and soft and comfy. And the next item is a thong, and this is green and white, perfect for the March holiday as well. So it has like some green lace here, and then some like striped design on the bottom. Here is the back. And this is actually by Miss Vicky's Intimates. And this is $12, and it's made with 95% cotton and 5% spandex. Cute. And last but not least, we have a very cute pair of undies. I feel like I might have these in another color now. Oh no, I don't, because I just saw. So wait, is this the back or the front? So here's one side. And then here's the other. I think this might be the back. It's got like this little lace design. That makes it unique. But I love the color of this. It's like kind of like teal. So this is by Splendies. It's $12, and it is made from 90% polyester and 10% spandex. I think this is so cute. So we got this pair, the thong, and shamrock undies. So I think I'm probably the most excited about these, but I honestly love all of them, and I will get use out of all of them. I always wear my Splendies undies, panties, whatever, and I love them. Totally worth it. So again, I will leave all the information down below. Thank you for being here and unbagging my new underwear with me. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!